We're waiting on our Uber. Here's one. We about to go to the Monkey Forest, Cretya, and the Bali swings. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how the ride on the bike goes, because this is the Uber. FYI. Unless you're nervous. So just an FYI, when you come, it ain't really no Ubers. You're gonna be hopping on the back of one of these shits. Alright, so right now we are at the Monkey Forest. Let's see how this goes. I don't like monkeys. So we are entering the jungle. Say nah. We are entering the Monkey Forest. I'm glad there's no monkey selfies though. Cause somebody wanted to take one.
You.
No, you wanted to take one. But now she's glad there's no monkey selfies either. I'm scared.
Look at it. It's in her bag.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, it's in the back.
Oh no.
Oh, hell no. You gotta load up the bag. Put my glasses in there.
Oh yes, yes.
But a nigga run my pockets.
Put those at the bottom.
Biz ne güzel oynuyorduk bu hafta. Kadın geldi. Sıçtı.
Finally fucking made it, bro. We was literally on that moped for a good fucking 40 minutes, bro. 40 minutes. What's this? I wonder what this is. Oh, coffee. See,
You can literally stay here for like a whole day.
see, this the one we needed, not the other one. Karen wanted the rice field, but the rice field look way better. What you drinking, babe?
Bing bang.
Bing bang. Thank you.
Let me taste it. Hey, that's disgusting.
It's drink time.
It's gross, y'all.
It's a Heineken, literally.
What the fuck?
This shit look crazy. You can see it's like a million different swings going on. Look at her, I told her to go back. Check, she's so pretty. Here comes the bride. I'm back at the same place from yesterday. That's because we was lazy though. We didn't feel like going nowhere else. Well, this one, she's tired. But I don't feel like going anywhere else either though. So,
Don't lie to me.
so we here till tomorrow. Day 2, morning y'all. Day 2 is pool breakfast, ATV. Well, floating pool breakfast. It is a little cold. Watch out, babe. It is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Okay.
My feet is cute.
感觉好烫啊。
Record these bozos. Y'all, they suck, bro. None of these niggas will drive.
This nigga done fell off the bank. Why did he run into the side?
Yo, why the fuck the camera missed that shot, bro? Oh my god, the nigga almost.
Y'all, I was trying to flip the camera.
We lost the group because of the dickhead back there.
Now we don't know where to go.
Hey, which way to go? This way or that way?
Left? All right.
No, we good, we good. We ain't the idiot.
Ooh.
Yo, bro, I swear, I ain't gonna never. I was hoping, babe. That's all I was thinking.
I'm so mad I didn't record. Y'all, he was literally right here. That's where the bike is.
I'm gonna crack his mouth out. Look who pulled up, Mama Kim. I think so, yeah. We back here again for the second time. Karen's mother wasn't with us the first time we came here. Her flight was delayed due to something. But now she's here, so we came back to let her do all the swings and shit that she wanted to do. But now I'm about to do the sky bike, wherever it is. It was over there.
There's one by the kitchen too.
Bro? Oh, right there, top there.
Yeah. It's in the corner or something. I don't know. I'm gonna ask them.
Day 3 of lateness. Of course, we late to our yoga. It was supposed to start 30 minutes ago. It's like 9:30. We're just getting here. Say it again.
You already went in?
No, it's all the way back there.
So you can sit on the pool.
It smells good. You gotta give him a tip there. You hear me?
I want to stand over here though so I could get hot.
They did it wrong, but it still looks good. And doesn't she look good? Birthday girl. But yeah, it was supposed to be long ways like this. It was supposed to be this way. And it's supposed to have a heart, but it's still cool. This pool way too big.
Ready?
Yeah.
The drone is down, y'all. First of all, it crashed into this tree down here. Then we tried to fly it again, and it freaking dropped in this waterfall, and we had to jump in and get it. So hopefully it dries out, but the leg is broken now, so we'll see. We just jumped in the pool. He's gonna jump in again. Yeah, just to get in the way.
Make sure y'all get a bike. Oh my God, look at that line though. That is insane, right? Back in 2019 when me and Karen came.
Can you?
Get my man's legs.
And how for me?
You? Like 22.
Close. 23. Today.
Ah,
Her birthday today.
who?
Her
Me.
birthday.
Birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Kay.
Okay, and
Say.
Sue.
Sue.
Hmm.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, and Sue.
Did the man at least smile?
Yay. One by one. Bunga nih. Just photo, just photo. The tourists, okay, you can still friendly, but with the local staff, sometimes the elephant doesn't like it. On this one, I can close with this.
We could have stayed here. This is a hotel.
We are close at
And the elephants pick you up right there. There's a gate right there. The elephant come right there, pick you up, and then take you to the restaurant, take you to the swimming pool. Elephants your transportation, basically. So if y'all want to stay here too, as a hotel, y'all can. That's fire though. They got a pool over there.
get there. We get our food from Sumatra to bring them from to there. Because nobody can take them to the
Restaurant.
the new people.
Oh, is this anything? Yes.
even though it's not wine.